Electronic Engineering Technician, NSCC Pictou Campus, December 2013. Welcome to our lab. We're experimenting with our new MakerBot Replicator 2X experimental 3D printer and digitizer. So in an effort to learn an experiment, we're trying to digitize and replicate a ear from a deer decoy. So we've digitized that through our digitizer using the software, which creates a 3D model, which is then exported to the MakerBot Makerware software, giving us a 3D model. We've actually made a small version to make sure that the file has worked. And now we're actually printing a full-size 3D model of that digitized ear. Why? Everything about 3D printing is based on electronics and electronic principles, servo motors, microcontrollers, and it's a beautiful device for rapid prototyping. Some interesting YouTube videos. I would encourage anybody to go and look or Google Lockheed Martin James Webb Space Telescope. Amazing what's going to be done with 3D printing. Thank you for watching our video, and remember, electronics, innovation, NSCC, Electronic Engineering Technician.